Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello people. I'm Rahadianto Alif Bagaskoro, and here is my friend Erik Erlangga Bagasdika and Bilvan Nabil Laksfian, and we're from Group 2. We need your attention for a while because we like to present our ISAs for you. And our ISA theme is Macintosh OS Catalina. Here is our PowerPoint. What is operating system? An operating system or OS is software that communicates with the hardware and allows other programs to run. It is comprised of system software, or the fundamental files your computer needs to boot up and function. Every desktop, computer, tablet, and smartphone includes an operating system that provides basic functionality for the device. Mobile device, such as tablet and smartphone, also include operating system that provide a GUI and can run application. There are types of operating system. Real-time operating system, RTOS. Real-time operating system are used to control machinery, scientific instruments, and industrial system. Single user. As the name implies, this operating system is designed to manage the computer so the one user can effectively do one thing at a time. The Palm OS for palm-handled computer is a good example of a modern single-user, single-text operating system. Multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows many different users to take advantage of the computer's resource simultaneously. The operating system must make sure that the requirements of the various users are balanced, and the cache of the program they are using has sufficient and separate resource so that problem with one user doesn't affect the entire community of users. There are examples of operating system. The first is disk operating system. This operating system is also used to describe several very similar command line disk operating system. One of the first operating system for the personal computer. The second is Windows. Windows is a serial of operating system developed by Microsoft. The product of Microsoft is a GUI, graphical user interface operating system. This type of user-friendly operating system. The third one is Macintosh OS. Macintosh, a product of Apple, has its own operating system with a GUI and WIMP features. The Mac OS has been around since the first Macintosh was introduced in 1984. Since then, it has been continually updated and many new features has been added to it. The fourth one is Linux. It's a free open source operating system based on Unix that was created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds. Users can modify and create variation of the source code, known as distribution, for computer and other device. The most common use is a Surface, but Linux is also used in desktop computer, smartphone, ebook readers, and gaming console, etc.
Okay, the next is fact and history Mac OS Catalina. Mac OS operating system developed by the American computer company Apple. The OS was introduced in 1984 to run the company's Macintosh line of personal computers. Apple has been emphasized the ability of OS X to connect with this device. Due to this ground, it rapidly became one of the most successful and popular operating system for the main PC's users. Nevertheless, with the transition of Flip, it was named Mac OS, launched in October 2019. Mac OS Catalina is Apple's latest operating system for the Mac lineup. Mac OS Catalina's name was inspired by Santa Catalina Island, popularly known as Catalina, and one of the Channel Islands of the coast of Southern California.
Okay, and then there are some features macOS Catalina. Number one is sidecar development. Sidecar preference span doesn't show exactly what you will see when the reader use iPad as a second screen. Number 2 is dark mode. As always, the general tab lets you choose between light or dark mode. You can choose the new Aura option for switching user interface without compromising function. Number 3, 8632. This is the message owned by only in macOS or iOS. Number 4, no more iTunes. iTunes has been split into 3 parts. Number 1 is music. Number 2 is iPodcast and library. And then number 5 is screen time. The new screen time app, a more spacious version of the iOS version or macOS version, tell how much time you've been wasting time or spend being productive in your device. And the last is voice control and double disc. Voice control is the new voice control feature in major advance in accessibility, making it easy to run a Mac by speaking to it. And the double disc is utility, the one only place you'll see that a Catalina disc is actually 2 discs. One for the system and one for the user data. This is the advantages and disadvantages OS Catalina. Number 1 advantages is multitasking feature such as sidecar mode and voice control. Number 2 is streamlined user interface without compromising function such as mode and voice control. Number 3 is lesser malware and other security issues because macOS has a free antivirus and also Mac computer gained a safer reputation. Number 4 is integration with other Apple products such as iOS device, like the reader can switch account from the iPhone, iPad to MacBook, macOS, or a new feature that the reader can screening from another Apple device. And the advantages is 1. iMac desktop computer and MacBook laptops are very expensive at $1,099 to start. $1,099 to start. The new MacBook Air costs $200 more than previous base model of Air. Why does it cost $2,000 more? It's certainly not of internal space or the new screen. Number 2 is the limited built-in storage, charging $1,200 for a laptop that comes with 128 GB of internal storage, which is taken up by the operating system is ridiculous, as it offering up to that 256 GB for $200. Apple could put a micro SD card reader in Air on over-explainable storage. Number 3 is limited number of apps available in the App Store or another source. Number 4, software on macOS is not so completeless, suitable for gaming application.
That's all for our presentation. Hope you get some information or some knowledge from our presentation. Thank you all for your time and attention. Sorry if our presentation is still not good enough or had some mistakes or wrong sentence. See you soon on our other ISAs. Goodbye and have a nice day.